Good morning, you beautiful people. Technically it's not morning since it's 3 in the afternoon, but I'm probably gonna be recording this today, tomorrow, Sunday, depending on, you know, how it goes. So you might see me in a couple different fits. Right now I just got on my botas on, but you know, I hope you guys are having a good weekend or have a good weekend. Hope all is good, you know, what y'all up to. And as you can see, I'm still going, as you can see, like from the brrr, all the humming and everything. I am in 4th gear, transmission, planning on having it put in the 20th. I believe that's a Tuesday, just by my rough estimates. It's gotta be pretty good. Going with just another regular MT82. This one does come with a MGW shifter. It's got around 40,000 miles on it, maybe. No, wait, I don't know. Like, I think it was 30 or 40. One of those. I'll probably put it on the screen if I do. But you know, it's one of those things where it's like you gotta do what you gotta do. Planning on having that transmission temporarily, or unless it gives out again, because you know, MT82. But give you guys a bit of some exhaust noise if we can. I've been watching, I just want to give a shout out to Sigma 5.0. I hate it when they do this, but Sigma 5.0, very, very dope YouTuber. He's very dope. Been subscribed to him for a while, and like his recent posts and whatever, like how to rev match and downshift. It's a video that I've been wanting to make for a while, but if I make a video like that, I want it to be like as detailed as like I can, you know? Like, I don't want it to just make it like, that's why it'll probably take forever for me to make, or I'll probably never even make one until like, I don't know, like a year from now or something. So this is what we got right now. Right now we took all the ones on this side, and I mean, I got everything right here. But for this side, I would recommend taking out the battery, because with this last spark plug, it's kind of a bit of a hassle to deal with it, especially with like this little piece right here. Let me see. This piece right here. I think it's kind of harder, but you can do it, you know? So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up here. So far, these are how they turned out, you know? But we'll go ahead and finish up here. Now, a tip of the trade, to get these spark plugs out, a nice easy way is to grab your coil pack. Go ahead, put it right there. Comes right out. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna be over here switching to the NGKs. These are the spark plugs I'm gonna be going with. These are gapped at 45. They come pre-gapped, but I went ahead and just made sure with the gapping tool. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So I just did the spark plugs a bit ago, and I also like added this what was it, the fuel injector cleaner. I added it to the gas tank. I don't know if it does anything. People said that it does, some people said that it's a waste of time, but I just decided to do it just to do it, just to make sure, you know. But so far, idle's good, everything runs smooth. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out for a bit, you know, finish off this video, and yeah. if this thing keeps like making that weird clinking noise. Let's see. But let's see what we can do here. Off-roading. Okay. Let's just chill. Let's just put this like right here. Let's go ahead and head out of here. You know?